One of the first things that you'll probably decide is who to engage. As part of a readiness assessment or a resource inventory, you'll probably already identified the usual players. Here are some other questions to help you think about who else should be included. What individuals, organizations, or sectors must be engaged to ensure a successful process? Are there historically underrepresented groups who should be at the table? On the right-hand side of this slide, we've included just some of the organizations you might think of inviting. We really encourage you to think outside of the box about this. FAB also requires that your CHA and CHIP should include engagement from various sectors, including at least 2 outside of public health and community members or organizations representing disproportionately affected populations. Once we've identified the partners to engage, another critical step is trust building. So as we get started, it's important to acknowledge the work that has already been done and the expertise that exists in the community. When you invite partners to the table, it's important that you treat them with equal partners with knowledge and expertise in their own right. Also, try to consider the partner's perspective as you invite them to the process. We know that we want to have an inclusive process that includes a broad range of partners, but what will they be getting out of it? How will this mission be uplifted by what you are trying to accomplish? And how will their mission be uplifted by what the collaborative is trying to accomplish? To gain trust, especially with new partners, you might first have to do some legwork. And this is where conducting a readiness assessment, as I mentioned before, or a resource inventory will be key. By doing this, you may uncover that there are some relationships that you might need to build or repair. So one of your first tasks will be likely to have one-on-one conversations to begin to build and or rebuild those partnerships or relationships. And lastly, just like any other relationship, building trust for your collaboration will take time and be an ongoing process.